go ahead and join them?
Now I'm already in there.
Okay, go ahead.
It's moving too fast.
Go ahead and screen it.
Hold on, let me put the in. Alright, we caught up now.
So we got Thrax versus Iron Man, Spider, and Doom. Oh, that's an Infinita right there.
Oh, he snapped. Nah, that's good. Good score. He got no DHC.
I mean, it's good. I mean, Thorn was dead anyways. I would have gotten more damage and killed, you know, get him out of the way. Sometimes it can be a problem, you know. But I don't get to play because he's gonna be
Yo, I kind of fast forwarded to bus ass. Holy shit.
Alright, so I'm looking pretty strong in the first round, so we're gonna see how he does in the second round, obviously.
Let it go with grace. Let it go with grace. That's what is it? Exprom.
Yes, 2 out of 3. I think winners finals and losers finals 3 out of 5, and then grand finals.
Yeah,
4 out
bro,
of
it's always 2 out of 3. This is classic. 2 out of 3. Winners finals 3 out of 5. Grand finals 4 out of 7. If you coming for losers, you gotta win 2 sets of 4 out of 7. Oh, this is my theme right here.
All right, we can start standing.
Get the fuck away! Oh, roundhouse! Oh, he's... So you got a second chance at life. You need to run away.
Yeah, you go.
Alright, guys. While he's commentating, I'm gonna be promoting the Matcherino. If you have not followed any of the quests, please do so. Here's the link. We had $1.65 to add free money to the pot. Do it for the players, man. Don't do it for me.
All right, so we're back. He just lost Storm, which is not looking too great. He didn't do a lot of work with Storm at all. So we'll see if he can do some work with something else. Oh, that's gonna chip. All right, so we got Strider back in there. See if he can get out of this. Oh, that's a dead. Push it up. I feel like he doesn't know what to do. He's just not doing anything. He's just standing still. So this is already going to be looking like it's over, yep. And it's over. All right, that's a GG right there.
Ooh! Oh, yeah, he letting it go. That's 2-zip.
Yeah.
I'm leaving it at that. Alright. Exprom takes it. So Exprom, you're gonna play Go for Broke right now. We're just gonna get that going.
Just get that going? All right.